a couple of experiments right now. This one you can try at home.
Yeah.
Have some fun with your parents.
Totally.
This one, don't do it, okay?
Not so much, no. You gotta get your parents. Your parents have to get their parents' permission to do this.
There you go. Okay,
yeah.
but it's all fun and it's all about science. It's trying to get kids into science and showing us all sort of the wonder of science.
Well, just everybody into science.
Yeah.
I personally, as an adult man, you might not know this about me, but I spend a lot of time playing with bubbles. I got some mad bubble chops, for real.
You got some mad bubble skills.
Yeah, and so I wanted to show you a couple of tricks about it. If you're a beginner blowing bubbles, I'm going to give one of these to you. A turkey baster works great. I got some of my home recipe here.
Yeah.
So you're going to dip the big end in the, no, the big end, yeah.
Okay.
And then dip it in, and then you can just blow in the small end. And it makes some really easy small bubbles. Oh, try to dip it again, try to dip it again. Stir it a little,
See, look how easy it is.
Yeah, see how easy?
So easy.
So try it out, try it out. So that's a good one to start with if you're a beginner. If you really are a beginner.
Yeah.
But if you practice this stuff, you can get pretty good at it.
I think I got one. Nope. Look at his. Look at his.
Yeah, so it's not that hard.
I'm trying to steal it.
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Oh.
And so, yeah, you can try. You just keep trying again.
Okay, so
it's
is
really,
is the technique that I should be swirling it like this?
The swirl is good. You don't want too much of the foam on the bottom. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, and you can do all kinds of really cool tricks with it. You can bounce it off your clothes if you do it just right.
That's cool. Don't ruin my outfit.
So, okay, so I want to try one of my favorite tricks with this. This is a new one I've been working on.
Okay.
And to do it, I need
I'm addicted.
I need some of this stuff. You knew I wasn't going to do small scale, so I got some dry ice.
He's putting on gloves.
I love me my dangerous chemicals and substances.
Okay.
So inside here, I've actually got like a little string. Where did that string go?
I see it there at the bottom,
there
right
it
in
is.
the middle.
So can you hold on to that for me?
Sure.
I'm going to toss in some dry ice. That's just CO2 gas in it. It should bubble up really nicely, get these bubbles looking really cool.
Very
and then the
cool.
thing you can do is, if you kind of take our string and you make like a little film across the top here.
Right across the top?
Yeah, right across the top. Then we can actually start to get bubbles that you can hold, and if you pop them,
Ooh.
you got like little smoky bubbles. It's
That's
pretty cool. Here, yeah, take a
cool.
handful. Take a
Do
handful.
it.
And just give it like a round of applause. Round of applause for it. Really cool. You're out
That's so cool.
It's okay.
It's
So
okay.
the trick to making
It's
good
worth
bubbles
it.
is just
I feel like a
surface
witch.
tension.
That's
Bubble,
so
toil, and trouble.
cool.
The trick to all bubbles is just surface tension, how hard those bubble molecules try to kind of hold together.
Right.
So this is really cool, but
This
I
is
want to
very
try
cool.
something even cooler. This is one of my favorite things to do.
Okay, let's go for it.
I promised when I guess we'll just ignore that. So I promised when I
pretend it's not
produced this
happening.
that I was going to do something like kitchen science. It was going to be really cool, but I want to do like big kitchen science, extreme
Okay.
kitchen science. So I don't know if you've ever been camping before.
Yes, I've been camping.
Okay, awesome. So then you might have
Once.
used something. You might have
Alright.
used something like this, chafing gel.
Yes, yes.
It's usually made with like methanol or ethanol,
Right.
which is good because it burns really easily. So that's good.
Okay.
But to see this, we're going to need to bring down. We're going to need to bring down the lights a little bit.
Okay,
so,
sure. What's the science behind this? What are we learning first?
So the science behind this, we're going to try to make. We're going to make a really big campfire, like a big one.
Okay.
So
All right.
I'm going to take some of this ethanol or this
It's
methanol.
gonna cover my eyebrows.
Yeah, that's good. I'm going to kind of move it across the bottom of this container here. I want to kind of get a
Okay.
nice even spread. I like methanol because it's a gel, and so it tends not to splash as much as the liquid methanol.
Yeah, who doesn't love methanol?
Hey, you know,
Fun substance.
it doesn't splash as much. I've done that before where it splashed and it gets kind of messy. So
Okay.
I'm going to light it now.
Oh,
and if we bring down the
okay.
lights,
That's
you
nice
got
and
a
gentle.
pretty decent campfire, right?
Yeah.
But the cool thing is, if you spin it, then you can make a really big campfire.
Oh,
you can start
that's so
getting
beautiful.
like a flame tornado. Literally.
Oh
I
my
see
gosh,
your-
that's awesome.
you're
No, I
grasping that
have
pretty-
nothing but faith in you.
You want to put that down for a second?
Yeah,
You can put it down.
sure,
So
okay.
I want to try something really cool here.
Okay.
I've got a bunch of different salts in here, so
Yeah.
you're going to grab some of those salts.
So this is
That is
strontium chloride.
Yeah, and go ahead and just sprinkle some of that in there. And if you do, you can see the flames actually start to change color. That one makes a little bit of
You know
yeah.
what?
You see that? Super cool. Isn't that crazy?
So cool.
You get like red
Okay,
flames,
copper
outside,
sulfate.
copper sulfate. You can get crazy, right? It's so cool. Oh, Bubble the Fire is
Oh my God,
awesome.
that's awesome. This is barium.
So cool. And this is how
Keep going, keep
Yeah, you gotta
going.
get a little closer. Get a little closer with that one. So this one, this is how real tornadoes actually happen.
This
you
is
get
so cool.
air moving in different directions
I
at
love
different
it.
speeds, and you get
This is the best
the
one.
updraft. Yeah, and it looks super cool. I wouldn't recommend cooking with this generally,
No.
but it still looks really cool for maybe like a campfire.
Is that not
or safe
cool,
experience.
guys?
Super cool, right?
That is awesome.
Yeah.
So good. Okay, so science can be fun.
Yeah.
Don't do it at home.
Don't do it at home.